Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. I hope you all got to relax and spend some time with your family and had a great weekend. So today we're going to be looking at AMC stock, which has just seen this epic run this past week. So as everyone I'm sure has been watching, we ended last week around $12 last Friday. That was when Wanda Group, who had been the majority shareholder, unloaded almost all of their shares into the market, and those shares were just gobbled up by retail investors, which is a great thing to see. Usually, when you have one of these big money players unload all these shares, it's a really bearish signal to the market. And a lot of other big money players might start unloading, a lot of retail players might start unloading. That just did not happen at all. Instead, all of those shares were instantly gobbled up by the retail investors, which is fantastic. And it's helped us push forward this week to see just this incredible run. We've gotten over 100% just this past week. So now the big question is, what are we going to do next week? Is next week going to be bullish? Is it going to be bearish? Are we just at the beginning? Is it starting to fizzle out? So let's take a look. So looking at the chart, you could see, we've just gone up and up and up this past week, and it's the best kind of up because you could see we're forming these stair steps. So we were up, we were up, we were up again, and then we just peaked at this $36 range up here, and before we finally settled back down to 26. Now, I know some people were actually disappointed that Friday we didn't end at 50 or 100. People were throwing out all sorts of numbers. Honestly, I don't know why. It was a great day. Even though we were a bit in the red, sometimes that's okay. It's better to consolidate, especially when we're consolidating at 26. We're not consolidating at $9 again. So it was a great day. I think it's good to have like a little bit of a breather, and I think we're even better set up for this coming week, especially because all of these options now are finishing in the money. So many of these options. And we saw this last time in January with AMC, with GameStop, with all the so-called meme stocks. They would run up and up and up and up, and then Thursday and most typically Friday, they would have these big corrections, and we know why. It's the big money trying to drive the price down so that their options don't expire in the money. But this time, they tried the same thing undoubtedly. It didn't work as well. We were still able to keep the price over 26, which is fantastic, because now people have been talking about a squeeze, a short squeeze, a gamma squeeze, or this squeeze or that squeeze. Guys, it hasn't even started yet. There has been no squeeze. But because we ended last week so high, now we're going to see if we have enough pressure, and we definitely have some, to start this gamma squeeze, because all those options of 26 that and below that ended up finishing in the money, expiring in the money, that's going to cause some serious buying pressure. And that buying pressure is going to cause the price to go up because all these people with options that expired in the money are going to be forced to buy. The buying pressure is going to increase the price. That price increase is going to create even more pressure on the people that are shorting. And remember, guys, like people have been talking too about the fact that the short interest has been increasing as this has been going up. That's undoubtedly true. But keep in mind too, like a lot of people are opening shorts. A lot of people are just increasing their short position. A lot of these shorts, they've been shorting the stock when it was like $9. Imagine the pain they're feeling right now at $26. So everyone that was disappointed with Friday, don't be disappointed at all. Friday was a great day. We still ended above 26. We're still well positioned to go this week even higher. And again, the squeeze hasn't started, but this is the kind of ammunition. These are the kinds of weeks that we're going to start seeing as things really get underway, because the shorts haven't covered. More and more people are looking at the stock. And now, for the first time, we really are getting more mainstream sources. I mean, the Motley Fool and some other sources have been talking about AMC for the long time, just to spread FUD, just to tell you how horrible it is. These analysts are putting their 1 cent ratings on it and whatnot, saying the company is worthless. Well, that narrative's starting to change. And that's a great thing because honestly, even if they do say bad things about it, just having more eyeballs on it, just having more people aware of it is just going to be great for AMC. So, coming up this week, I think we're going to see real movement. I think on Tuesday, we're going to really stay within, we're going to see if we could reclaim that $30 level. I think there's a really great chance that we can. But guys, even if we don't, even if we basically stay where we are, even if we go red again, but stay in this 20s range, that's awesome, guys. That's going to be great news. That's going to help us ultimately at the end because we know they're going to do whatever they can to drive the price down. So us just holding or us just not selling our shares to them, it's only going to help the stock. So I am not a financial advisor, by the way. This video is purely for entertainment and educational purposes, but I think it's going to be a great week for AMC. So if you could leave a comment, let me know how long you've been holding on to AMC, what you're going to do with your shares, what you think is on the horizon. I'd love to hear from you guys. Hope everyone has a great day.